Welcome to a journey of discovery, where the rhythmic whispers of the ocean call us to India's most serene and untouched coastlines. Beyond the well-trodden paths lie hidden gems, waiting to reveal their tranquil beauty and offer a profound sense of peace. This is an invitation to explore the less crowded beaches of India, where golden sands meet azure waters in perfect harmony. Prepare to immerse yourself in breathtaking vistas, from sweeping stretches of coastline to intimate coves. We will traverse the vastness of India's shores, uncovering places where the beauty of nature remains pristine and undisturbed. Imagine turquoise waters gently lapping against golden sands, framed by lush greenery that sways with the sea breeze. Witness the magic of sunsets painting the sky in fiery hues, and feel the gentle rhythm of the tides as they ebb and flow. Our journey will take us deep into these landscapes, allowing you to feel truly connected to the earth and the sea. We will also glimpse the vibrant tapestry of local life, the ancient stories etched in temples, and the intricate details that make each beach unique. Our exploration begins along the captivating Konkan coast of Maharashtra, a region renowned for its unspoiled natural beauty. Here, the coastline unfolds with a quiet grace, inviting introspection and relaxation. Each destination promises a unique escape from the everyday. First, we arrive at Guhaga Beach, a pristine stretch where the Konkan's tranquil essence is truly felt. Its untouched beauty offers a perfect sanctuary for those seeking solace by the sea. The air here is filled with a sense of calm, inviting long, reflective walks along the shore. Further south, Walkway Beach beckons with its serene environment and untouched natural charm. This hidden paradise provides an idyllic setting for quiet contemplation and reconnecting with nature's gentle rhythms. It is a place where time seems to slow down, allowing for deep relaxation. Then, Tondavali Beach reveals its peaceful ambience and remarkably clear waters. The gentle lapping of waves against the shore creates a soothing soundtrack for a truly restorative experience. It is an ideal spot for those who cherish quiet moments by the sea. Moving to the vibrant state of Karnataka, we discover more coastal treasures that promise tranquility and natural splendor. The Karnataka coastline offers a diverse array of experiences, from peaceful shores to unique geographical wonders. Each beach here tells its own story of beauty. Kumta Beach welcomes us with its peaceful and impeccably clean environment. This expansive stretch of sand offers ample space for quiet enjoyment and leisurely strolls. It is a testament to the untouched beauty that still thrives along India's western coast. Next, Maravantha Beach presents a truly unique spectacle, with the Arabian Sea on one side and the serene Supanika River on the other. This extraordinary setting creates a mesmerizing landscape, offering unparalleled views and a sense of wonder. It is a rare geographical marvel. Padubidri Blue Flag Beach stands as a beacon of eco-friendly initiatives, boasting crystal clear waters and pristine surroundings. Its commitment to environmental excellence makes it a perfect destination for conscious travelers seeking both beauty and sustainability. This beach exemplifies responsible tourism. Our journey now takes us to Goa, a state famous for its beaches, but where hidden, less crowded havens still exist. Beyond the bustling crowds, these secluded spots offer a different, more intimate Goan experience. They are perfect for those seeking quietude. Butterfly Beach, a secluded cove, captivates with its turquoise waters and pristine sands, accessible by a scenic trek or a tranquil boat ride. Its hidden nature adds to its allure, making it a truly special escape. This secret paradise feels like a world away. Galji Baga Beach, known for its extreme quietness, offers a rare opportunity for peaceful solitude and the chance to witness olive ridley sea turtles nesting. It is a sanctuary for both nature lovers and those seeking profound tranquility. This beach is a true natural wonder. Venturing to the eastern coast, Odisha unveils its own collection of enchanting, less explored beaches. The Bay of Bengal's shores here are rich in natural beauty and cultural heritage, offering a distinct coastal experience. These beaches are steeped in local charm. Astaranga Beach mesmerizes with its vibrant sunsets, painting the sky in spectacular colors, and its minimal tourist presence ensures an undisturbed experience. The name itself, meaning colorful sunset, perfectly describes its breathtaking evening display. It is a photographer's dream. Sonapur Beach offers an offbeat charm with its expansive stretch of golden sand, inviting visitors to unwind in its serene embrace. This tranquil spot is perfect for those looking to escape the ordinary and discover a quieter side of coastal life. Its beauty is understated yet profound. In Andhra Pradesh, we discover Bhimunipatnam or Himili Beach, a destination rich in historical significance and renowned for its cleanliness. This beach offers a unique blend of natural beauty and echoes of the past, inviting exploration and reflection. It is a place where history meets the sea. Moving south to Kerala, the land of backwaters and lush greenery, we find more secluded coastal treasures. Kerala's beaches are often fringed by swaying coconut palms, creating an idyllic tropical atmosphere. These spots offer a true taste of paradise. The Kijuna Ejara twin beaches are truly hidden gems, fringed by swaying coconut trees and offering a tranquil escape from the world. These picturesque twin coves provide a perfect setting for relaxation and enjoying the gentle sea breeze. They embody Kerala's serene beauty. Our journey now takes us to the remote and breathtaking Andaman and Nicobar Islands, an archipelago renowned for its pristine, untouched beauty. These islands are a paradise for those seeking adventure and unparalleled natural splendor. Their isolation adds to their mystique. Kalipo Beach in Diglipo stands out with its unique black sand and serves as a vital nesting ground for various species of sea turtles. This distinctive beach offers a rare glimpse into the natural world and its delicate ecosystems. It is a place of ecological significance. Laxmanpur Beach on Neil Island enchants with its pristine white sands, vibrant coral views, and exceptionally quiet sunsets. It is an ideal spot for snorkeling, leisurely walks, and witnessing the sky transform into a canvas of colors. This beach is a true island paradise. Finally, we journey to West Bengal, where the Bay of Bengal offers its own unique coastal charm. Here, we find alternatives to more crowded destinations, promising peace and solitude. These beaches offer a different perspective on India's diverse coastline. Tajpur Beach emerges as a cleaner, quieter alternative, perfect for those seeking solitude and a peaceful retreat by the sea. Its serene environment and gentle waves create an ideal setting for unwinding and reconnecting with nature. It is a haven of calm. India's coastline is a tapestry of diverse landscapes, offering countless hidden havens for every kind of traveler. From the rugged Konkan to the serene Andaman, these less traveled beaches promise not just a destination, but an experience of profound peace and natural beauty. May your own journey to these tranquil shores be filled with wonder and serenity. Explore India's hidden coasts and discover the magic that awaits.